Hello felting friends, this is Dawn from Chicken Run Creations, and I'm really excited to share with you my beginner felting kit is here and ready to go. I thought I would show you what is included in it. You'll get it in a bag just like this with everything in it all nicely packed, and I thought I would just give you a breakdown of what you get and share a few other things with you on it. So put this aside and show you what we get. First, I want to give a shout out to Erin at Gray Fox Felting for providing the wool for me. She has been a huge help, and I highly suggest that you check her out if you run out of any of these colors and would like more. To go to her website and check her out. This is what a listing of everything that your kit will include. If you are not a member of our needle felting group on Facebook, go to Let's Learn Needle Felting in the search bar, and you can request to join us there. I will have tips and hints and notifications and stuff like that there, so come join us and we'll go over what is in the kit. So now that's just my business card, what you get. So first you get this foam mat. It's 5x6. It seems to be a good quality. I don't tend to use the foam mats only because I make my own from wool, but this seems like a good one. I might have to try it out and see. So you get a foam mat, you get a pair of needle guards because you will always poke your fingers. You get 3 needles. You get a 36 triangle, a 38 triangle, and a 40 triangle. Your 36 is your largest, your 40 is the smallest, so you would use your largest needle first, and as it felts down, go to your smallest needle. Nice little holder that she has here for them. That's pretty cool. Okay, wool. Now, a lot of starter kits you get don't necessarily come with core wool. I'm including 3 ounces of core wool, and I really like this stuff. It's really soft. Not quite as, I mean, there's some debris in here, but it's not quite as messy as some of the other core wool that I have gotten before, so I really like that. And then you get 16 colors. So I will go through the colors that we have. We have fuchsia, we have cardinal, pumpkin, apricot, spearmint, olive, dandelion, ecru, if that's how you say it, a Kelly green, a Stellar's J, country blue, let's see here, lilac, black, marble, and then they're not pictured on the list, but you also get an autumn jasper, which is kind of a brownish color, and then a snowy white. So yeah, that's what you get in this kit. There is a ½ ounce of all the colors, which is way more than what you get in the Amazon kit. So you should be able to do a lot of projects with this. And as a side note, I am going to take one of these kits and see how many things I can make from it, and I will do videos on them. Either I might just do really short videos to show you what I'm making, and I might do the more longer involved videos. What's your choice? Let me know down below in the comments if you'd rather see just, really quick little videos of what I'm making with it, or if you want me to actually go into details on how to make it. Anyway, this kit is available on my website at chickenruncreations.com. I will have a link in the description below. I have a limited quantity. I can get more, but at the moment I have a limited quantity. So if you want one, jump in quickly and grab one. I will, if I run out, I will definitely go and get more from Erin, and we will go from there. So, but yeah, I'm really excited about this. My first kit. I'm hoping to maybe do some more individual kits with like individual projects. We'll see how that goes. But that's where we're at. So until next time, have yourself a good day, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.